Today we are going to be talking about mitosis and the steps of mitosis, and such as interphase, which is 90% of the cell's life, which is the G1, S phase, and G2 phase. Then it goes into mitosis, which is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. And then cytokinesis is when the cell finally splits. First, we're going to be talking about interphase, which is G1, S, and G2. During the G1 phase, it's rapid growth because the cell just divided. The S phase is the synthesis of DNA. G2 is the growth before the actual division. Interphase is 90% of the cells. Oh gosh, okay. The first part of the cell's division is an interphase, which is 90% of the cell's life, which is this whole area. And then the last 10% is right here. This is cytokinesis, mitosis. Go to here. Interphase has 3 stages. G1, which is rapid growth, just because the cell just divided. And then the S phase, which is the synthesis of DNA. And then the G2 phase, which is growth before actual division. Prophase is the next phase, and that is the DNA and proteins start to condense, and the nucleus starts to disintegrate. The next phase is metaphase. That's when the chromosomes line up at the center, and the spindles start to attach to one another like that. Anaphase is the next phase, and that's when the chromatids pull apart to opposite poles. And you can always remember anaphase because the chromosomes start to look like A's. Telophase is the next phase, and that's when the nucleus officially splits into 2 and mitosis occurs. Telophase.
Can I just go crazy with it one time?
Yes. Oh, cytokinesis is the last phase, and that's when the cell splits into 2. Cytokinesis means to split the entire cell. See, as you can see, the cells are becoming 2 different cells.
Meiosis is very similar to mitosis, except there are a few things that are different. Here's interphase.
Here is prophase. Ah ha 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 ha.
The only thing that is different about metaphase is that the chromosomes line up with their partners. Anaphase is when they start pulling away from the middle. And telophase is when the cell starts to split.
During prophase 2, there's 1 chromosome from each parent.
The next phase is metaphase 2, and it's where the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell, and it's very similar to mitosis in metaphase, the regular one.
Go.
During anaphase 2, the chromosomes are pulled to opposite poles by the microtubules.
After the sister chromosomes separate in anaphase, there are 2 chromatids in each cell in telophase 2.
Now that the cells have split, there are 4 haploid cells. This occurs in the sex cells or the gametes, and there's a product of 4 haploid cells.
Ain't nobody got time for that.